name, I just wanna be famous.
Desire your worst, you
but
can
I
just
don't
hide
want
while
that
I
cheap
work.
fame, no I'm not
tired,
that
you
vain,
first.
I just
I'll
wanna
write a
be
second, third
greatness.
verse about the lies you go disperse. You never do shit, I know it hurts,
but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't walk that would like me. Sun and world rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same and you'll be like me. If you wanna taste it, just come and try me. If you wanna hate it, you know where to find me. If you go and hate this, you gon' fight me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. I know I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs a antiseptic.